What's up, guys? How are you? So as you can see, guys, this is my balance on my Binance balance right now. This is my balance on my Binance wallet right now. You can see I have a total of 2,377 USDT. Let me surprise you guys. This is not the only money I have on my exchange. I have different wallets. This is the money only for trading. Okay, let me show you my other balance on other exchanges. If we go on Exodus wallet here, I have 13,221 USDT. Here it is on my Exodus wallet. If we go on my Trust wallet, quickly, on my Trust wallet, I have 137,302, okay, dollars. If we go on my other Exodus wallet, this is the part of my assets that I have been trading crypto arbitrage for a long time. And today on this video, I want to show you exactly how you can have this kind of balance, 137,000 on my, it's a main wallet. It's not a demo wallet. You see, it's main wallet. Don't say this is demo wallet. And in my Exodus wallet, it's also real wallet. Let me show you. It's opening, guys. Okay, so you can see here it's real. You can see the transfers I do every day. It's real wallet. Okay, 13,000. Also, I can show you on my Binance again by refreshing. I have 2,377 USDT. I can also show you another wallet. I can also show you another wallet on my Remitano. Here you can see I have a total of 8,505 USDT. All this from trading crypto arbitrage, following simple instructions and doing what needs to be done. Okay, so guys, how did I trade this crypto arbitrage? It's very simple. I will show you step by step. First thing, you need an exchange with good rates where you can buy USDT, for example, from Binance. You buy maybe 100, you sell there, or you buy from that exchange and then you come and sell on Binance. So step by step, I'm going to take you through this video, show you how you can do this and make the same amount of money yourself. So going direct to my browser, I'll open Binanzorr.com. Okay, so this is the exchange I'm using to trade crypto arbitrage so far. Okay, if we go to on my withdraw history, I can show you. Here they are, many of them that I've been withdrawing. And if you can go to transaction history, I can show you here they are, very many of them, up to page 29, very many of them. You can see I've been trading since last year October on 5th, and the date is this. So what you do is you go direct to this website called Binanzorr.com. You can see, make sure guys, this exchange has the double R, leave alone the single R domain. It doesn't work anymore. So you make sure it has BINANZORR.com, and then you open that. Nice. So you need to create an account. So if you don't have an account, you click sign up. All right, and then you create an account. If you already have an account, you go to login. Okay, so I'm already logged in. Let me log out and log in. So I'll go to login here. I'll go continue. Okay, so that is it. So now next thing, now we need now to trade crypto arbitrage. How do we do that? Crypto arbitrage, you simply trade it on P2P. All right, guys. So P2P, you buy, for example, I'll show you. Yeah, let's go direct to P2P. Okay. And then let's say want to trade USDT. I'll click on buy USDT, and then here I'll come on currency and say currency is USD and payment method is USDT. Make sure you do what I do exactly. Okay, so you give it a few moments to load the offers. Nice. So these are the offers available. You can see there's this one we call Zangu, Ethan Parker, and many more. So for example, I can say I want to buy from Bilal Muhammad. You see he has 21 trades, and if we click on his profile, you see he has a positive feedback of 107, so he's the best. So what I'll do now, I want to buy from him, and then I'll go back and sell to my Binance, right, and make the profit. So for example, if I click on buy USDT on him, okay, and then amount I want to pay, let's say 500, I'll get 666. So that will be a profit of 166 in just a few minutes. But let me make a quite equivalent a good amount. So I'll put 1,000, right, which will be 1,333. The 333 will be my profit. So I'll click on the payment method I chose before was Tether USDT, and then I'll click on buy. Okay, so now this is now the payment page. The payment page means where now I need to pay the vendor. Okay, so what I'll do, this is the address to pay. You can see the vendor said Tether USDT payment. So this is the address. You need to copy this. So guys, this is the address that now you need to pay the 1,000 to. So you copy this address here, copy like that, and then you go to any of your wallets, like you can go to any of your wallet, Binance, Bybit, Remitano, any wallet, Ox, and then so I'll use my Binance. I click on Binance, right, like that, and then I'll click on assets, send. Now I need to send to on-chain withdraw, right, and then the coin, I'll choose the USDT, and then I'll press that address, put it there. So first, before we go ahead, you need to cross-check this address if it's okay, because sometimes you might copy. You may need to make sure you copy the whole of it, and then you cross-check it here. Okay, and the network is USDT TRC20. So I'll choose the network TRC20, and amount is $1,000. Okay, that we said. So because you see here, if I send 1,000, the vendor will get 999. So let me put 1,001. Okay, and then I'll click on withdraw. It's very easy, guys. Then confirm, continue. Okay, so here now you need to put your passkeys. Okay, this is your only information. Don't show your passkeys to anyone. So I'll pause the video and put my passkeys. So after putting my passkeys, you see the withdrawal is processing. Guys, remember one thing: you can either put passkeys, you can either do to, maybe you have authentication 2FA on your account, like Google Authenticator or SMS, either way, or Face ID. That's a verification to withdraw. So see now, I'll click on now the withdrawal. This one, it's processing to the address that we said we copied there. So the next thing now to do here is to copy this TXID. Okay, see something written here, TXID, this one. We need to copy it, copy, and then go back to the trade on Binanzorr.com, and then you go down here and paste it here to the, you send it to the vendor. Okay, then here now you need to text the vendor, hi, just paid and shared my TXID. Please release my trade. You can just text the vendor anything, but make sure, just be humble, and because you're making money, guys. Okay, so and the next thing now, we need to click paid. Don't click paid. Some people come here and click paid without even paying, and this one might get your account banned. So we need to click paid, right? After you send the TXID, now you click paid. So now after clicking paid, the vendor will get now the notification on their end, and then they'll come back and release your coin. It takes within 5 to 10 minutes maximum, so just be patient. So guys, it's been like 3 minutes ever since I started this trade and marked as paid. So now I need to refresh the page and see whether it's really paid. You can see after refreshing the page, the order is complete. If I scroll down here, you can see the vendor said here, thanks so much, please leave a positive feedback. You see, so I'll just where you leave the positive feedback here, it's here. You know, you say the best vendor ever, God bless you. Let's just leave the best feedback back to the vendor. So like that, nice. And then now guys, we need now to check our account if we have the money. Okay, of course we have it, but I need to confirm with you. So I'll go to dashboard, nice, and then click on transaction history. Okay, you see, here it is. The release of the trade is now 1,333, and my post balance is 169,000 USDT. I'm telling you guys, all these are my trades. You see, all these are my trades. It's not that I don't do this. So anyway, now we have now did a trade of 1,333 positively. We have 333 USDT profit. So now the next thing to do here is now to withdraw the money, the USDT, back to your exchange, whether you are using Bybit or any exchange, Ox, Binance, anything. So this is what you do. First, you click on these three dots and then you click on manage wallet. Okay, and then you go to the funding. You know, when you trade on, when you buy, the money goes on funding. Okay, you see, then you click view. So here is your balance here. So now we need to click on withdraw. Okay, here, this is the trade that we did. So now click on withdraw, amount 1,333, then Tether USDT, and then click submit, right? So now here there's this, they say that withdraw via USDT, please put your USDT address. So now here you need to go to your Binance direct, Binance. Okay, so on your Binance now, you see now I have a balance of 1,376. Now we click on add funds. Okay, on chain deposit, and then USDT, Tron USDT, copy your address like that I did, and then go back to your binanzorr.com and paste the address here, then click submit. All right, very easy. Now it's pending. So now we need to give it another like 5 minutes, 10 minutes for them to approve our withdrawal on the blockchain. Remember, this withdrawal is on the blockchain. Blockchain is the one approves crypto transactions, just like a banking system that you send someone money, the banker, the people at the bank will see the transaction, they'll approve, and then it reach the other end. So we need to give it a few minutes. So guys, we are waiting for the deposit to appear on Binance. Okay, let me open my Binance and check whether it has arrived. Not yet, so let's give it more time, more like 2 minutes to come. So guys, again, let me refresh this page. Right now you see here it's written approved. So now I need to go back to my Binance and check whether I really received the amount. So I got back to my Binance. Now here we go. Okay, so now let me see the transaction history. You see, yes, I received 1,325 USDT from Binanzorr.com. All right, and how did I? Okay, I received 1,325 because of the fee. The fee was $7.165 because I did a withdrawal 1,333 and they sent me 1,325. So 7.165 USDT was a fee. So now guys, I have a profit of 325 USDT. Simple, easy, from doing crypto arbitrage with you. You see the steps that I did. If you want, you can do that, and I wish you all the best in your trading journey. Make more money, guys. This is really happening, trust me. Have a nice time. If you have any other questions, please go to my TikTok, click on my bio, or go on my YouTube, check on the description, you'll see the link to contact me. Okay, there's a Telegram channel, you see the link to my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel. Let me show you my Telegram channel. There's a Telegram channel here. You can see this is my Telegram channel. All right, this is my Telegram channel, has 20,000 subscribers who are benefiting from my teachings for free. I really teach for free. If you can give me credit afterwards, I don't mind. So this is my Telegram channel. You join here and get my updates, follow my video and make your own trades. If you need to contact me, just come on my Telegram channel and click on Arbitrage Kingpin, like that. You'll see me there. This is me here. And also there's a WhatsApp. There's my WhatsApp here. This is my WhatsApp. You can click here and contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, this is me on WhatsApp also. So if you have any other questions, I'm here to help you win in crypto arbitrage. Thank you so much, guys, and pleasure, and I wish you all the best in your trading journey.